Crispy, juicy and spicy, these chicken tenders disappear in minutes. Did you hear that crunch? It is very simple and easy to prepare. So let's get started. You have taken 300 grams of sliced chicken breast. So I've cut them into strips and I've seasoned it with salt, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper and 1 tablespoon of garlic granule. And some olive oil. Now do not add any other spices here because we're going to coat the chicken tenders later with a hot sauce. So if you still want it extra spicy, then go ahead and add some more cayenne pepper or chili powder or even crushed peppers. Mix it well and let it sit aside to marinate. Before frying, we need to do some prep. So here I have taken 1 egg and I've prepared a mixture here with a pinch of salt and a pinch of cayenne pepper. And on the other side, I have some crushed cornflakes for coating. We need to dip the chicken tenders into the egg mixture and then coat it with cornflakes. We need to do this twice so that the coating is nice and it turns the tender to become very crunchy. Second coating. To prepare the sauce, here I have taken around 1/4 cup of melted butter. To that, I'll add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, half teaspoon of garlic granules, half teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything well. You can also add soya sauce here, but I've skipped that. Transfer the fried chicken tenders into a bowl, add the sauce and mix it well for even coating. And it's that simple and easy to prepare. Try it once and you will have yourself making this almost every weekend. Very juicy, very tasty. You have to try it out. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family.